Hey, this video is going to be on how to use the Revolve tool. The Revolve tool lets you build things like spheres, other kind of rounded shapes. And for this video, I'm going to start off by making a sphere. So Revolve Boss base, located up here in the Features tab. When I click on that, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to go front plane. And whenever you use a Revolve tool, the first thing you need to do is you're going to draw a center line. And the way it works is, and I might as well draw that center line. What you're going to do is you're going to draw something and you're going to put it on one side of this center line. And then when you go to extrude it, instead of that shape extruding out, it's going to extrude around that center line. So if I wanted to make, let's say, a sphere, I could go to possibly a 3-point arc tool. And I can make an arc from there to there. And when I click Exit Sketch, it says the sketch is currently open. Do we want to close the sketch? Yes, we do. So I'm going to click Yes. And we can see what happened was that half circle, it revolved all the way around the center line. And you don't have to go all the way around. You can adjust if you just want to revolve. You know, maybe you just want to go 180 degrees. You could do something like that. Or you could just go full 360 degrees. And there you have a sphere. Let's try a little something different. I'm going to go Revolve Boss base again. And let's go and make our center line. Now you can do it with line tools and spline tools and things like that. The thing that you just have to be careful is when you're drawing, make sure you don't cross over this center line. So you'll notice when I'm doing this sketch, what I'm doing is I'm keeping everything on one side of this center line. All right. So I've kept it all on the right side so that when I click Exit Sketch, I can click Yes, and then it's going to revolve around. Now in both of those cases, you noticed I would start off with my center line, and then my shapes were kind of like attached to the center line. You don't have to do it like that. You know, if you want to, you could draw a shape away from the center line, something like that. Okay, so it doesn't have to be touching it. And then when we exit out of our sketch, we can see that shape is going to revolve around that center line. And just for this last example, I'll show you like if you just do a partial revolution. So if I do like 180 degrees, you know, just in case you don't want it to revolve all the way around. So hopefully that was helpful in showing you how to use the Revolve tool.